Are you tired of deciding between the limitations of time and material or fixed price models for your business projects? And have you ever wondered if there is another alternative out there? Then let us introduce you to an innovative newcomer that has stepped onto the scene, the fixed hours per month model. SWG Apps has created this hybrid approach that aims to merge the best aspects of both the time and material and fixed price models, while providing flexibility and introducing a degree of predictability. Let's examine these models and show an alternative for those who are anxious about potential overspending and financial losses. From the client's standpoint, controlling costs is a top priority. The time and material model provides a transparent cost structure, enabling clients to compensate based on the actual hours worked and materials utilized. Particularly suited for dynamic projects, this model is not without its complexities. TNM accommodates evolving project requirements, offering a degree of flexibility. Yet the inherent open-ended nature introduces financial uncertainties, resembling a journey without predefined waypoints. The client must navigate potential cost overruns, much like traversing unfamiliar terrain without a defined route. Transitioning to the contractor's perspective, stability becomes a priority. Enter the fixed price model, providing a predetermined cost for the entire project, offering a structured approach. The fixed price model establishes a clear financial plan, enabling contractors to allocate resources efficiently. However, changes in project scope pose challenges, potentially leading to disputes and strained relationships. It is comparable to following a set itinerary, but encountering unexpected roadblocks. Within the realm of these established models, the fixed hours per month approach emerges as a deliberate combination of flexibility and stability. Clients commit to a predetermined number of hours each month, ensuring contractors receive a consistent revenue stream. If hourly limits are met, clients have the option to pause work until the subsequent month or extend the agreed-upon hours. This model places decision-making authority in the client's hands, fostering control over potential overages. Crucially, unused hours do not carry over into subsequent months, fostering equitability. Reduced reporting requirements alleviate administrative burdens, with transparent reporting mechanisms maintaining stakeholders' awareness of project progress and expenditures. So in the complex realm of project pricing, each model carries its own set of considerations. Choosing the most fitting approach requires a meticulous evaluation of project specifics. As industry frameworks evolve, innovative models such as fixed hours per month may offer a balanced solution for collaborative project outcomes. For an in-depth understanding of these models, we invite you to explore our dedicated blog post linked in the video description. While there, take a moment to peruse the array of other insightful blog posts available on our website. If you found this analysis beneficial, consider visiting our website at www.swgapps.com and schedule a meeting with us to discover how we can contribute to the success of your upcoming business projects.